Hi all, today we will share with you how to integrate Undetectable browser with OkeyProxy. First, please download Undetectable browser on your computer. Choose Windows 10 or 11 and click it to download. After downloading Undetectable, click on the New Profile button. Name it, and get right settings following your need. Then click Create button to save the profile. In the proxy settings, choose New Proxy, then choose the proxy type. Then, get proxy info from OkeyProxy that contains IP server, port, account name, and password. Copy and paste it into Undetectable profile. Check the proxy. We get it located in Arcadia, CA, USA. That is all. Thanks for your watching. Please subscribe to our channel.